Why did you do that? I just caught you right now. Just now. As you're watching this video, I probably just shared a link with you. You shorten a variable name. Unnecessarily so, even. Perhaps even just letter. Perhaps tree. What the hell is that variable name? What does it do? What is it? For me to figure that out, I would have to look at the context of the project in order to figure out what the H that variable name is. Therefore, you shouldn't have named that variable using abbreviation, meaning shortening it unnecessarily. So, talking about, or rather, while we're talking about this subject, when should you shorten variable names? Probably close to never. Really. I mean, you can get away shortening variable names when the scope lifetime is very, very short. Meaning, if you have let's say you're a try catch, you catch an exception X, for example. That's the abbreviation X or E for error. And the lifetime of that E or error is just one line, perhaps two, within that catch. That's acceptable because it's not gonna throw you out of the loop trying to figure out what the hell X is, because it says right there within your eyesight, you can see what it is. That is a commonly acceptable way to shorten variable names. Even then, I would go so far to name the variable name what it is. It may not just be a general exception. It could be a bad user exception or something like that. I don't know. Just as an example. Now, if the scope is greater, however, it is especially important to name it what it is and not abbreviate the names, as you probably have just now. Whatever that is. It could be a Q, it could be a G, it could be a GE. What the hell is what is that? GE, global environment? I don't know. Who knows? Only you know. And maybe I'll find out if I scroll far up and find out what the hell that is. But it shouldn't be necessary to do that. And that's why I'm complaining to you about that in this video, in this form. So please take that to heart. Don't shorten variable names. There is no need in 2022 to do that. Or 2020X, whatever. Unless we are traveling back in time, going back to using Stor machine. What's the name? Big machine, great machine. I don't know what's in English. IBM computers. I think we're moving away from that. Enough about that. Thank you for listening. I hope you're avoid shortening variable names. Please, please, please do it for yourself. Not just for others, but also for yourself, because you'll understand what you're talking about when you're going back to that code in the future. You'll know what that G is, or that GE, or that Q, or whatever the hell you're using. Thank you.